Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor users' tweets and like, retweet, reply, etc. via TweetAttacksPro. Add a search module first. Then import the user you want to monitor. Set up the amount to search. I want to search the latest tweet, so I'll set it to be 1 and check latest tweet below. Next, add a get content module. Add the content you want to reply. Then add an account run thread module. Check the account you want to use. Lastly, add a monitor action module. Tick all these options. Then set up the tweet source and the content source. You can also increase tweet views, reply views, and link clicks below. Click to start the task. The software will run in the background. It will start to execute these operations once the user posts. Keep it running and wait a moment. Let's open the browser to check the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.